Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, press the power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring up your boot options, and from here we're gonna swipe the top one to turn it off. Now when the device turns off, which it's right now, you want to hold power button and volume up. So again, I'm going to hold both of these buttons now. And this will take us to the Fastboot mode. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the two options. So volume down obviously navigates down and up goes up, while power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now in here we technically have just one option, which is the recovery mode as a separate kind of menu, while reboot obviously brings us back to Android and is just a way of leaving this place. So that's what I'm gonna confirm right now. Reboot. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.